Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Access 1A and 1B Simulation Exam. So if you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing, and other courses. So we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is in the Word documents, review the two tables and their components and identify the common field of the two table by applying bolds formatting to the field's name of the common field in the table 2. So two table is the bold is what to the select the driver ID and apply the bold. So go to the home tabs and go to the font groups, click the bold. So question number 1 is a complete. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is at the top of the window, click enable contents. So top of the window and click the enable contents, click OK. And next is in the datasheet view, create a new tables. So go to the create tabs and go to the table groups, click the table, click OK. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is close the navigation pane in the second column of the table. Add a field using the short text data types and name the field last name and then press enter. So close the navigation panes, close the navigation panes in the second column of the tables. So select the second column of the table, add the using shortcut text is the data type and name the field is last name and then press enter. So apply the short text and table name is a last name. So type the last name and press enter. Next step is in the third field name box, add a field using the short text data types and name the field is the first name and then press enter. Add the third field's name box, add a field using the short text data types and name the field is to first name and then press enter. So go to the third column and apply the short text. So click the short text and type is the first name. So type the first name, type the first name and then press enter. So but press button and next is add a date of birth as the fourth field in the field using the data type date and time. Add the new text is to data time. So go to the date and time. So go to the date and time, click OK and type is the date of birth. So fourth field is type the date of birth. Type the date of birth and press enter. So question number 3 is complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in the datasheet view, change the ID field name to the driver ID. So select the datasheet view table and right clicks and click the rename a field is to driver ID. So type the driver ID and press enter. Next is change the data type of driver ID field to the short text. So change the date type field is to the short text. Select the date ID. Select the date ID is to the driver ID field to the short text. So go to the field tabs and go to the formatting groups and date type is to the short text. So click on OK is the short text. With the insertion point in the driver ID field, change the field size to the 7 and then press enter. With the insertion points to the driver ID field, is change the field sizes to the 7. Change the field size to the driver ID, change the field size to the 7. Go to the create tabs. Sorry. Go to the field tab and the with the insertion point driver ID field, change the field size of 7 and then press enter. Mhm. Go to the so driver ID field size is to the 7. So select the driver ID and go to the field tabs and go to the property groups and field size is to 7. So type the 7 and press enter button. So question number 4 is complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is for the first record in the table enters the value as the driver ID and last name is the delivers and middle is initial is to M and first name is to the Pamela. So first record is the enter. So type the driver ID field is to type the value is 12, 34 and 56 and 789. So press tab buttons and next record is to type the last name is to the deliver. So type the delivers is to the capital words deliver and press tab button and next is to the middle is the initial name is type M and press tab button and next is to the first name is the Pamela. So type the Pamela, Pamela and press enter. So next record is to the in the same record enter the date of birth is to the 11/20/20 and 1985. So type the dates. Date of birth is the 11 by 22 and 1985. Press tab and last step is to the save the name is to the one a driver. So save the tables, select the table and right clicks and click a save. So save the table name is to the one drivers and click OK. So question number 5 is a complete. Question number 5 is complete and we can move to the question number 6. So internet issue. The application is unable to save your scenario progress and click the retry and connect to the internet. So go to the next question is question number 6 and reload the page. So question number 6 is a for the second record in the table enter the value is driver ID and press enter to the Anderson is the last name and press enter is L is the middle initial and press enter is to the first name is to the marks name and press enter. So add the second record is to the driver ID field and type the record is to 34 stand and 123 is 45 press tab buttons and last name is to the type the Anderson and Anderson and press tab button. So the middle initial is to type the L. Press enter and first name is to the type the mark and press enter button. So next step is for the third record in the table enter the value is driver ID and press enter is to Brown as the last name and press enter to middle initial is to type T and press enter to the Brahim as the first name and press enter. So the add the third record is to driver ID is to the 3410 and type the 98 is 765 press tab button and next is to the last name is to type the Brown and press tab button. So the next is to the last is initial middle initial name is to the type T and press tab button and next is to the type the first name is to the Brain. Brahm is to the first name and press enter button. So question number 6 is a complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is a close the one driver tables. So select the tables and close the one driver table and append the existing one driver table with the one driver worksheets imported from the works name is one driver access document folder and do not save the imports tab. So select the one drivers one driver tables and Imported the workbook is to the OneDrive access in the document folder and do not save the imports tab. So go to the external data tabs and go to the import and link groups. Click the new data source is to the file is to the Excel files. Import the file and go to the browse tabs. So open the OneDrive access is to the double click open the files and next is to the append the existing OneDrive is to the OneDrive worksheets is imported it in the document folder and do not save imports tab. So click the append a copy to the records tables and click OK. Imported it is the name is the documents and click a folder and click the next and important from the name is to the OneDrive's documents folder and do not save and click a finish and do not save the exports tab and click close button. So the next step is to the open the OneDrive table and then close the navigation pane. Open the OneDrive table is to the double click is the open the OneDrive tables and then close the navigation pane. Click the close the navigation pane. So question number 7 is a complete. We move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is a switch to the switch to view of the OneDrive table to the design view. So open the OneDrive tables and switch to the view. So go to the view tabs, file tabs and go to the view groups. Click the view is to the switch to the view from the table is to the design view. So click the design view and next is the with the OneDrive table open the design view and delete the middle initial field. With the OneDrive table is to design view open the OneDrive table design view and delete the middle initial fields. So select the middle initial fields is selected it and delete the field. So go to the home tabs and click the delete tab and click the delete and click a yes. So question number 8 is a complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is for the driver ID field, change the field size is to the 9s and then add the description 9 digit driver ID is number and no periods. So for the driver ID fields and change the field size to the 9 and the description to the 9 digit driver's ID number. So select the driver ID fields and go to the field size is to type the 9. Field size is to the 9 and then description is to the 9 digits driver ID number.